Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a work permit in Spain. This guide will help you navigate the process smoothly. First, it's crucial to understand the various types of work permits available, as they depend on your specific job and qualifications. Gathering all your required documents beforehand will save you a lot of time and effort. Remember, your prospective employer in Spain plays a key role, as they typically initiate the application process for you. To begin, you absolutely must have a valid job offer from a Spanish employer. This is the cornerstone of your application. Your employer will also need to demonstrate that the position could not be filled by a Spanish or European Union citizen, which is a key legal requirement. You will need to prepare several personal documents, including your valid passport, a criminal record certificate, and a medical certificate. Additionally, your employment contract and a detailed job description are essential. The application process typically begins with your employer. They will submit the initial work permit application to the Spanish Ministry of Labor. Once this is approved, you will then apply for a work visa at the Spanish consulate or embassy in your home country. This step usually involves attending an interview and providing your biometric data. After your visa is granted, you must collect it and travel to Spain within the specified validity period, often 90 days. Congratulations, you've arrived in Spain. There are a couple of crucial steps to complete once you're here. Within 30 days of starting your employment, you must register with the Spanish Social Security system. Also, within 1 month of your arrival, you need to apply for your foreigner identity card, known as the TIE. Your initial work permit is usually valid for 1 year, and after that, you can typically renew it for subsequent periods of 2 years each.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.